Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So now in this class we are going to learn about the derivation of mirror formula. 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. It is a small f students, focal length, and this is object distance, this is image distance. 1 by f is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So mirror equation or mirror formula. So it is in our 9th class physical science topic in the chapter reflection of light at curved surfaces and intermediate second year physics in the ray optics. So derivation of mirror formula. So for this we are using a concave mirror students, you can see. So this line is called a principal axis and this is a midpoint, that is midpoint of the concave mirror pole denoted by P. AB is the object. So now ray diagram students. It is the one incident ray which is reflected through the focus, that is F is the focus. It is another incident ray which is reflected. The reflected ray is intersecting this. This is also incident ray which is passing through center of curvature C. So that all the reflected rays, you can see students, the reflected ray 1, reflected ray 2, reflected ray 3, all are meeting here and here image is formed. So this is a real image, inverted image denoted by A dash and B dash. So now here you can see students, AB is the object, C is the center of curvature, F is the focus, A dash B dash is image, P is the pole, PF, that is distance from pole to focal point or focus is focal length denoted by small f students. Distance from P to C is a radius denoted by R. It is also equal to 2 times the focal length. Distance from P to object B is object distance denoted by U. Distance from P to B dash is image distance. This is denoted by V students. So you can see here. So now derivation of this one. So here from the figure we are taking two triangles, triangle ABC and A dash B dash C. Both are similar right angled triangles. So from the figure triangles ABC and A dash B dash C are similar triangles students. Similar triangles means we can compare the ratio between height and base between the two triangles. So here this is height AB and BC is the base, and here A dash B dash is the height and B dash C is the base. So ratio between height in this triangle AB by BC equal to A dash by B dash, A dash B dash by, so B dash C students. So ratio between, in this triangle height this is and this is base. In this triangle A dash B dash C triangle, height this is A dash B dash and base is B dash C. So this is a written students, you can see. Now interchanging. So AB by A dash B dash equal to BC by B dash C. Equation 1. Just interchanged position by the cross multiplication students. So this is brought here, this is transferred here. So now again from the figure, you can see the triangles students again. ABP, this is one right angle triangle. A dash B dash P, it is another right angle triangle. Both are similar triangles. So from the figure, the triangles, from the figure the triangles ABP and A dash B dash P or similar triangles. So once again you can see the figure, students. A, B, P. This is one triangle. A dash, B dash, P. So again we can compare the ratio between height and base of one triangle ABC equal to ratio between height and base of another triangle, that is A dash, B dash, P. So this implies height in the first triangle ABP is equals to AB by PB, and another one is A dash, B dash by PB dash. So again similar to interchanging, students. So in this triangle ratio between height and base AB by PB. In this triangle ratio between height and base is A dash, B dash by PB dash, that is AB by A dash, B dash equal to PB by PB dash. It is equation 2, just interchanged. So A dash, B dash is brought to this place and this is transferred to that place by the cross multiplication, students. That is, so you can see, students, equation 1 and equation 2, left side ratios are equal, then right side ratios we can make equal. This implies from equation 1 and equation 2, BC by B dash C equal to PB by PB dash. This is equation number 3. So now from figure BC equal to, students, you can see the distance from here to here equal to the distance from P to B minus P to C. So BC can be written as PB minus PC, and B dash C, students, B dash C equal to, we can write PC minus PB dash. So B dash C equal to PC minus PB dash. So now substitute this in the equation, in the above equation, that is from equation 3. So BC means we can write, students, PB minus PC by B dash C means PC minus PB dash equal to PB by PB dash. This implies, so already here written, students, what is PB, what is PB dash, what is PC, what is PF, all are written here. So you can see, so PB means object distance U, PC means radius R, PC means again here, sir, PB means U, PC means R, PC means radius R, PB dash means image distance V, then U by V, students. All these are taken from here. So now by the cross multiplication, students, cross multiplication. So multiplying with U minus R of V equal to R minus V into U. Multiplying, that is UV minus RV equal to RU minus UV. Cross multiplication, students, this is U minus R is multiplied with V, R minus U is multiplied with U. So now, so UV, so changing minus UV from right side of equal sign to left side of equal sign, that is plus UV equal to RU. So changing minus RV from left side of equal sign to right side, students, plus RV. So this implies UV plus UV, students, 2UV by equal to RU plus RV. So now divide the above equation with UVR on both sides. So this equation is divided with UVR, students, on both sides. So 2UV by UVR equal to RU by UVR plus RV by UVR. UV will be cancelled, R will be cancelled, U will be cancelled, V R. So now remaining one, students, here 2 by R equal to 1 by V, and here 1 by U. This implies, but you know, in the beginning of this one we said PC is the distance from, so distance from P to C is taken as PC. R is 2 times the focal length, 2 small f. So this implies we can write 2 by R means 2 by 2f. R means 2 times the focal length, 1 by V plus 1 by U. 2 cancel. So therefore 1 by f equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U, or 1 by U plus 1 by V, students. So this is the mirror formula. So you can see again, once again from the top.